Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade V2020, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode on this phone. To get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the power saving mode, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, simply tap on it to turn it on, and there we go. It's now in power saving mode. Now it looks like it didn't do much here, at least visually. It doesn't really change too much. So there's a couple additional things you can do yourself to prolong your battery life. For instance, turning off NFC if you're not needing it. Dropping your max brightness down will also save you a bunch of battery. Now, additionally to the power saving mode, there is a little gimmick that it's not being disclosed here, meaning that by enabling the power saving mode, when you lock the device and it goes to sleep, meaning it's not being used for like a minute or so, it's considered to be in a sleep mode. In this mode, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you require some kind of internet connection for messages, then you won't be getting them in power saving mode. Only when you wake up the device will reconnect and sync up everything that it was not doing in the sleep mode. So anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, all you need to do is tap on it once more to make it go back to the default mode. That being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.